Okay, so hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify complex conjugates. Okay, so first, okay, what is a complex conjugate of a what is a complex conjugate of a complex number? A number written in the form of a plus bi. So the complex conjugate of a plus bi is going to be a minus bi. Why? So they have complex conjugates have the same uh, real part. The real number part is the same, and the imaginary part are opposites of each other. Okay, so if this one is a positive bi, the other one is going to be negative bi. Again, how do we identify complex conjugate? They have the same real part and opposite imaginary part. So let me start with the complex conjugate of a plus bi. So the complex conjugate of a plus bi is going to be a minus bi. Okay. Now, what is going to be the complex conjugate of a minus bi? Okay. So, what is the complex conjugate of a minus bi? Remember, complex conjugate have the same real part. If the real part is a, so it's going to be a right here. Okay. And they have opposite imaginary part. The imaginary part is negative, so the opposite of negative is going to be I plus addition. So you're going to give it plus bi. Okay, so the next imaginary and a complex number is going to be what about 2 plus 3i? Okay, what is going to be its complex conjugate? The same real part, which is going to be 2, and opposite imaginary part, which is going to be negative 3i. Okay, so what about negative 5 minus 2i? Okay, so they have the same real part, but opposite imaginary part. So pause the video and try to find its complex conjugate. Okay, so its complex conjugate is negative 5 plus 2i. Okay. Okay, so now I'm asking you to find the complex conjugate of 3 plus I squared of 5, 1 half plus 1 half of I, 7i, and negative 1 half of I. Okay, and let me give you what about 12. Okay, go ahead and find the complex conjugate, the corresponding complex conjugate. Pause the video and do it by yourself. Okay. Okay. So we can remember the real part is going to be the same, but the imaginary part needs to become opposite. Okay. And for the last one, I just gave you a real number, so it doesn't change. It's just 12. So the real part is the same. Okay. So that's why you're not changing anything. So you keep the real part the same. So thank you for watching the video. And remember, complex conjugate have the same what? The same real part, which is A here, and they have opposite imaginary part, which represent the number with the I. The number with the I are opposite of each other. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye.